the club have announced that they're in partnership with Towie Vision Films, and they're going to produce an all or nothing style mini series following the fortunes of Haverfordwest County on and off the pitch.
I'm not sure it's going to rival The Last Dance.
We can achieve still something. Don't give it away. Okay, guys? Are you ready? Yeah.
A couple of changes tonight, lads.
It's been an emotional ride.